Let's bring them on, ladies and gentlemen.
All right, what's up, my people, and welcome to the Sn95 Power Channel. Today, I want to do a review on a product, and this will be my first time using it, so this will be like my initial reaction to it. Now, if you own chrome rims, polish, you know the struggle is real out here as far as keeping these things nice and shiny and blingy. One of the things just about everybody probably uses is muzzlers. I was watching a YouTube video from, I believe, Awesome Finish. I'll have that around there someplace. And he was polishing up a Holley intake manifold. Now, I love watching his videos. I don't know too much about his background. This is something he does full time, or if it's a hobby. But you know, when he polishes parts, they come out great. And I have the polished upper GT40 tubular intake, and I asked him a question about maintenance, like what can I use to keep the shine and some kind of protection, and this is what he told me. Now, I've never heard of White Diamond before, but he recommends it. I'm going to give it a try. I did watch some promo videos from White Diamond, and they actually said that this has like a waxing property to it also. So not only will it clean your metals, but it will leave some kind of barrier protection. So this is the dirty rim. Only thing I'm gonna do is just wash it down with some water. All right, this is kind of finished after, you know, just going to the car wash, drying the car off. You know, sometimes I have some turtle wax, the wash and wax formula that's mixed together, the wash and dry stuff. For the most part, this is similar to how the finish would be without using some mothers on it. Now, let me run down what I'm going to use to try to clean this up and make it shine a little bit better. So basically, I just have some, you know, Harbor Freight stuff that I could put on the back side of the drill, little buff wheel. Nothing fancy, you know. I think $3 or $4 for this and $3 for that. Now, like on the bottle, it tells you like shake well. So we'll shake this up. I've got an applicator pad. We're gonna apply it and gonna see what happens. All right, this is a 9-day difference. I'm extremely happy with the way this has turned out. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit for y'all. You know, water marks are gone. There's always been like some little residue up in here. Now, I believe with this chrome plating process, there is like some clear on here. So I'm going to try this on the upper intake manifold at home, which doesn't have any kind of barrier on it. It was basically, you know, polished. And we'll see if we can get this kind of finish. This is awesome. Now, I wonder if I had some water, would it bead off? It allegedly has some kind of wax built into this formula. So it's supposed to have some kind of protection to it, but real nice. I like it. So let's go back to the house and test this on the GT40 intake manifold. All right, we're back at the house. I'm going to take the manifold off. We're going to just a basic wipe down first, and then we're going to try the product and see how it looks. All right, y'all, here's the tubular GT40 intake manifold. And the thing I love about this intake manifold is that it is polished and it really stands out. The thing I don't like about this intake manifold is that it is polished and the maintenance that you have to do on this. So we're going to try this white diamond, see what kind of shine it will get, and I'll give you my thoughts after that. All right, impressions. Pretty damn clean, I must say. Now, I normally would use the mothers on this intake. And I don't think, just being quite honest, I don't think I've ever gotten it to this kind of gloss. And it would be hard to tell without doing like a water bead test, but it does feel like it's got some kind of protection on it. And this is just one round of doing this. So I'm liking the white diamond. It's easy to apply, easy to take off. You know what, the mothers too, it seems like the takeoff process can be a little tedious, but with this, you know, it just comes off fairly easily. And really the biggest thing for me, like with the mothers, you know, this has always been like the hard spot for me, like the throttle body area. You know, a lot of this goop is hairspray from trying to keep the silicone coupler from popping off. But you know, this, I don't think I've gotten this kind of shine with the mothers. Now, is it because, you know, I had the 2 extra buff wheels, like this one and the other one? I don't know if that makes a difference, but, you know, normally I would use my little cordless angle buffer or whatever that thing is called. I would use that to clean it up with the mothers. It's the same process. The only difference is I didn't have those 2 other little wheels. So I've never even heard of white diamond until I saw my man Awesome Finish. I watched his YouTube channel, and you know, I reached out to him and saying, hey, you know, I saw that he polished some things up, and was asking him like, hey, what do you use for maintenance on your polished stuff? And he told me about the white diamond. So I gave it a try. I actually like it, and it's probably going to be my go-to product for all my chrome and polish. Hey, I just realized that's like my first chemical product review. So like I say, tell me what you think. Go ahead and drop your go-to chemical product for cleaning chrome or polish. Also, do me a huge solid and go ahead and click those ads when you see them. Like, that makes a big difference in the channel. Like, if you can just interact with those ads, however you want to do it, go ahead and do it. But please do that. That helps my analytics a great big deal. Also, just telling a couple of people about the channel, you know, just spread the word about what we're doing over here. And we'll be down at Ponies in the Smokies. Coach 216 and I, we're kind of finalizing a little flyer, the information, so we'll have that out to you shortly. His YouTube is Iron and Asphalt's Custom, so go ahead and check that out. But hey, I hope to get to see you guys down there at Ponies in the Smokies. It's a great event. Like, even outside of the show, there's so much to do down there. So if you can, come on down, hang out, see some awesome Mustangs. And, you know, until then, I appreciate your time and God bless.